This is where the soap-making process begins. Workers unload the raw materials that will soon be transformed into finished soap bars. Every ingredient is inspected carefully to make sure it meets factory quality standards. The raw oils and fats are stored in large silos and kept ready for the main production process.
Through a metering system, the correct amount of each ingredient is measured automatically. The ingredients enter the main mixing tank, where heat and motion begin turning them into liquid soap.
The factory prepares a lye solution, which is essential for the chemical reaction that forms real soap.
This stage is called saponification, where oils and lye mix together to form raw soap. The workers carefully control the temperature to make sure the reaction happens safely and correctly.
Fragrance is added to give each soap bar its unique smell.
The liquid soap is now pumped through pipes into the cooling section.
As the soap cools down, it begins to solidify.
The cooled mixture forms into soap noodles, which are easier to process in the next steps.
These soap noodles now travel along the production line.
The noodles are then ground into a soft and even soap paste.
Liquid color is added to create the final look of the soap. The paste enters a vacuum mixer to remove air and improve texture.
Extra ingredients like moisturizers are added at this stage.
A second grinding creates a perfectly smooth soap blend. This machine shapes the soap into long, solid blocks.
High-speed blades cut the soap into perfect bar shapes.
A metal stamp prints the company logo onto every bar.
Every soap bar is inspelled by hand to ensure quality.
The bars now enter the packaging line. Each bar is wrapped to protect it during shipping. A batch code is printed for tracking and safety.
This is how soap is made in modern factories. A complete journey from raw materials to finished bars.
Robots fill cartons with groups of finished bars.
The cartons are weighed to ensure every package meets standards. The cartons are sealed for final delivery. Robots stack the cartons onto pallets for transport.
The entire pallet is wrapped to keep everything stable.
The soap is stored safely until shipping.
Shipping paperwork is prepared for delivery.
The pallets are loaded onto trucks for distribution.
A final safety check ensures the shipment is secure.
Here are the final soap bars, ready for customers.
This is the factory where the entire soap making process takes place.